Tingnan mo kung makikita mo kami ni Cathy sa aking face. O, ayan.
And now we're live. Are we live? Let's check. Are we live? Hello, people. Greetings from cold morning from Sweden.
Yes. Good morning from Stockholm.
Good morning. Hello, Te.
Kung hi pa, Choy.
Ay, oo nga. Happy New Year. Happy Chinese New Year.
It's Chinese New Year. It's the year of the dragon.
Yes. Good luck to
That's
all
why
of
I
us.
have this red.
Let's see if we are. Okay, now, hello, Odessa. Thank you for watching. Oh my God, our coach is here.
Coach.
She's present. Ate, can you please check? Bear with us. It's our first time doing live, so ay, nagdodoble. Ayan. Can you please check, Ate Melo, if you're live in your own page? Watching replay. Amazing ladies. Hello. Let me see. Yeah, bear with us. It's our first time doing live, so
yes.
Kapit lang. O, diba nag-aayos? Sino pa to? Heidi Kurmu. Hello, Heidi. And apparently, to all the people who will watch here, non-Filipinos, I'm sorry, but we will speak in our language, in our mother tongue, which is Tagalog. So maybe next time, or probably next week, we will do another live about our business, but it will be in English. So, but for today, we will speak Tagalog. It will just be a chikahan, kwentuhan.
I'm on my page. Which one should I?
Just check, Ate, if naka-live ka rin sa ano mo, sa page mo. Kung kita mo yung live.
I see it.
Pag open mo ng ng page mo, dapat makikita mo ng
I don't
anyone there, anybody else, please say hi at least. Don't be shy para alam namin kung sino po yung nanonood. At gusto namin magpasalamat in advance kung sino man yung mga manonood sa amin.
Yeah, they can see us on my page.
Lovely.
Yes.
So, before we start this chikahan, let us introduce ourselves.
Excuse that one.
O, diba? Ano?
Yes.
Hi,
anyway,
Marie.
hello again.
Ayan. So, yeah. Hi, Marie. Hello, my lovely kapitbahay. She lives here in Sweden as well.
Hello.
Yeah. So, it will just be a chikahan. Both of us lives here in Sweden to start with. I live in Gothenburg, and Ate Melo lives in Stockholm.
Yes.
Yeah, she's a Stockholmare. Yeah, my name is Cathy. If you don't know that, but I guess everybody knows it. My name is Cathy. Taga Cavite. Half Caviteñan, half Ilocana. My nanay is Ilocana. And what else shall I say, Ate? Yeah, I've been here in Sweden for almost 5 years. I moved here in 2019. And ano ba? Sabi ko magtatagalog tayo pero napapa-English na naman ako.
Yes.
Kasi pag
you can mix it.
Oo, magtataglish na lang tayo kasi yun naman ang ano ng mga Filipino. Ano na nga ba? Ayun, so magpa 5 years na ako dito sa Sweden. But bago ako lumipat dito, galing ako ng Dubai. So dati akong OFW. I lived there for 13 years. It was a long, memorable, happy years in the Middle East. Tapos paglipat ko dito, ayan, puro snow. Nilalamig ako kasi lamigin ako. Alam mo yun? How about you, Ate?
Well, ako tubong Tarlac, Kapampangan, marunong naman mag-Ilocano at Panggalatok. I've been living in Sweden for like more than 15 years. And I work I work in the accounting finance department ng isang logistics company dito sa Sweden. Yes, working with numbers for more than 10 years. It's almost same job I have in Philippines before. But it's not the first job I have, because when coming to Sweden, the language barrier, that's the first struggle. So I studied the language like 2 years. I studied accounting in Swedish also, short. So awa naman ng Diyos, I got the job that I really like. Love doing numbers and everything. So that's my story, how I came to Sweden. I have some relatives here also. I have my cousins also.
That's great. Kasi ako nung pumunta ako dito, wala talaga akong kakilala, as in. Lumipat ako dito, tapos nagkakilala kami ng sambo ko or ng aking Diyosawa sa Dubai. Tapos yun nga, lumipat ako dito, walang kakilala. So, syempre, adjustments and alam mo yun, hindi naman masyadong culture shock, pero yung weather, yun talaga yung naging, what do you call this, naging challenge ko. Tapos, yun, syempre, kagaya ng sayo, yung language barrier din, yun ang naging problema ko. Tapos, hindi naging madali para makahanap ng trabaho. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
You did great kasi nakapag-aral ka, tapos kung ano yung trabaho mo dati sa Pilipinas, nagamit mo dito.
Yeah, because the opportunity cut is when opportunity knocks, like you can study everything here free. So I took advantage of that. Yeah, it's libre. Bakit hindi mo pa i-grab yung opportunity? So between working in the hotel and the housekeeping, I work in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, I go direct to school to study the language. Pinagtyagaan ko talaga. So after that, lakasan ng loob din. Lakasan ng loob. Kung hindi, at saka siyempre dasal. Ayun, awa ng Diyos. I got the job. Yeah, I fight for it. It's not easy. Maraming tears and everything. But if you want something, if you dream of something, you have to work in it. Hindi lang basta pangarap lang. You really have to do something about it. And then you will get, why not? Makukuha mo yan pagka pinagtrabahoan mo, pagka yung vision mo, yung dream mo, yung desire mo, tama? Bakit hindi ibibigay?
I agree. Oo. At saka yun na nga din ang kagandahan dito sa Sweden na libre nga yung yung pagpapaaral.
Yeah.
So why not, grab it? Just a little bit commercial, ate. We have 8 people who are watching right now.
Thank you. Salamat po.
My sister. Asa na yung mga kamag-anak mo, ate? Si Jan lang yung nandito.
Where's my family? I hope they're watching.
Sabi ko kay ate Melody kanina, relax lang tayo kasi first time niya nga na magganito. Sabi ko, huwag ka mag-alala.
Yeah, because
naman natin yung
really, I'm a really extreme introvert, really. And thank you for Kati. Si Kati is encouraging me always. Ate, you have to go live. People have to see you. Yes, and then it was Kati who came up with this idea. So Kati, salamat talaga. Salamat for pinapalakas mo yung loob ko, really.
Di ba parang lang, relax naman. Okay lang naman, bayaan mo silang manood. Basta tayo nag-kwentuhan lang, di ba?
Yeah. So Kati and our path crossed because of this business that we're doing. I was looking for somebody naman in Sweden doing the business, because in the beginning, it's like, ako lang ba? Is it only me in this business? So I post something, and Kati was the first one to saw my post about it. And he said, Ate, contact me, or contact this lady. And then that's the beginning of our long distance friendship with Kati.
It's a virtual friendship. Imagine, minsan masasabi natin na yung mga virtual friends natin, sila talaga yung sumusuporta. Alam mo yun?
Yes. Like, I'm sorry. Yesterday, when you say hello to me, I was really down. I was at work. I took my lunch around 2 o'clock, and then you say hello. That's all I need. Kumusta? To like, diba? Ma-encourage ka ulit, because I was really down that Friday. I told you about it. Sometimes simple kumusta, it's all it takes.
A simple kumusta can make a difference, you know.
Yeah.
But honestly, ate, alam mo, hindi ako masyadong na tao. Meron nga akong mga friends na hindi ko nakakamusta, and I'm very guilty about that one.
Me too.
Well,
Me too.
At the moment, my friends, I'm sorry to say, but I'm building an empire. So, busy talaga ako. Kumbaga, puro business na yung nasa isip ko. But I'm sorry for that. Kung sino man yung mga friends ko na nag-struggle or pasensya na po kayo. Pero ako naman, on the positive side, mag-text ka lang sa akin. I will answer you. Ako yung tao na scene mood lang. I hate that. Mag-text ka, magre-reply ako sa'yo. Alam mo yun?
Yeah,
pero I'm not really the usual na mag-initiate ng, hi, how are you? Okay ka lang ba? Ganon.
Yeah, so when I met you, I met Maria, na malapit lang dito. You introduced us. Sabi ko, now at least I feel I'm not alone anymore in this business, in this side hustle that we're doing.
Yeah.
Because iba pag may alam mo may kasama ka. Iba pag alam mo may support ka.
Oo, totoo. Supporta is napaka-importante niyan kasi we cannot do anything by ourselves. You know, kailangan talaga ng suporta kahit moral support. And I want to thank everybody here. My whole family are here. They are my support system actually. Yes, ate, my whole family are here. Hello! I love you all. I miss you all. I think nami-miss na rin nila ako. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nagla-live.
Of course. Yeah, really. Miss my first time.
Ate, tingnan mo ha. Sabi ko, mga lang tayo magla-live, mga 7 to 10 minutes, ganun. O, 11 minutes na, oh. Keep doing. Heya. Aja. Kukwentuhan na naman tayo.
Maganda rin kasi may kakwentuhan na, and you're on the same level ba, yung mindset. Like, you can talk about things, and then what I like about you also, you're straightforward. If something you see on me and my post that I really need improvement, then you say direct to me. So that I appreciate much, really. In you doing that. Because real friends, they tell you what needs to be improved sa'yo.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Hindi, ayoko ng plastikan, alam mo yun. Bakit ko gagawin yun? I'd rather not to talk to you. But if I consider you as my friend, di ba napapa-English ako sa'yo? Medyo seryoso na eh. If I consider you my friend, then I will tell you, this one is not really nice, or maybe you can do this instead.
Si Cathy po is more techie than me. My knowledge in computer completely sa office lang. Everything about office, the system there. Pero pag yan sa mga posting and everything, Kat is expert.
Wow, expert naman. Grabe ka naman. May pagka-addict lang talaga ako sa social media.
Kaya when you say, ate, this and this also, I listen. Me naman, I know how to listen. I know what is, as long as the criticism is constructive, that's okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Because it will improve you. Mag-i-improve ka. You will learn. That's how you will grow.
Basta yun ang kailangan lang is open ka to learn something. Kasi kung lagi ka lang, okay, alam ko na yan, ganito, mas magaling ako sa'yo.
No, you cannot say you do everything.
Yeah, you
every day you learn something. It's always so much to learn, really. Kaya every day pag may natutunan, ganun pala yun. Wow. Dito sa business natin, Kati, ang dami kong natutunan na hindi ko alam na kaya kong gawin. Imagine website.
Oo nga eh. Kahit naman ako first time kong gumawa ng website. Diba?
Yeah. And the best thing is yung na-overcome po yung pagiging hindi man ako mayan.
Yeah,
I'm really an introvert.
Reserved. Oo, you're very reserved then.
Oo. Sa office, I can talk to anybody there. I can even talk to the highest, what you call that? Kahit sino pa kahit something. Yes. Pero pag yung sa ibang tao na minsan.
Harap na ng,
it's different. It's different. It's not same.
True. Parang ugali ng Swedish, 'di ba? Parang na-adapt na rin natin 'yan eh. Yung pagiging introvert, 'di ba? Kasi masyado ring reserve ang mga Swedish. Makwento ko lang, itong Diyosawa ko ay sobrang introvert nito, pero dahil nga napaka-social ko, kumbaga nahawa na rin siya.
Nahawa mo?
Oo, nahawa ko na rin siya. Hindi, kasi dati naman sa trabaho kasi, kumbaga part na yan eh, nasa hospitality industry ako, so I get to meet.
Nasa service ka pala. Service ka.
Oo, so hindi uso ang, alam mo yon, ang pagiging mahiyain, hindi pwede na, alam mo yun, nasa isang tabi ka lang, otherwise walang mangyayari sa'yo.
Yeah.
Anyways, may snow ba dyan today? Snow ba dyan?
Yeah, meron pa naman. Meron pa. Malamig pa, Kati. We still have 2 months to bear this winter.
Malamig pa nga, ate. Malamig pa dito, kakaloka. Nandiyan pa ba ang ating mga viewers? Anong temperature na po ba diyan sa Pilipinas ngayon? Kamusta naman diyan? Kung sino man ang
ingit lang tayo sa weather, Kati.
Kaya nga. Pero sila din, naiingit din sila sa weather natin dito. Di lang nila alam. Diba? Tiis ganda talaga.
Para tayong robot paglalabas sa damis mo.
Oo, yan ang pinaka ko, te. Oh my God. Yung patong-patong yung mga damit natin, di ba? Hirap
ako, ang liit-liit ko pa naman.
Kaya nga. Matatabunan ka na ng
snow. Pag ganyan ng snow, wala na. Hindi mo na makita ang tuhod ko.
Kamusta naman? Oo nga, grabe no, yung last January, sobrang talaga, matindi talaga ang weather natin dito, no? 'Di ba nakwento mo sa akin yun na yung sobrang kapal ng snow sa Stockholm na naglalakad ka abot na sa tuhod.
Hindi na ako makauwi, ganun yung hangin na tapos dala-dala ko yung laptop ko sa office, yung bag ko, yung aking baunan.
Kamusta naman?
Nakakaya naman.
Oh, ganun lang, syempa. Kumbaga sa kasabihan natin dito sa Sweden na fighting
Isipin
lang.
Ay, maigi na yan sa pinapawisan ako ng todo na nagsishower pa lang ako. Pinapawisan na ako sa Pinas.
Yung init minsan. Ibig mo sabihin, nasa banyo ka lang naliligo pero may pawis ka na agad.
Pinapawisan ka na.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oy, sabi ng nanay ko, 29 degrees dito now. Mainit, no?
Lagom. 29. Lagom kesa 30. That's better.
Oo nga. Basta nasa 20s pa rin.
I hope at least mag-meet tayo in person one day.
Yeah, sure. Punta kayo dito sa amin ng summer. Maganda dito. Dalawa kayo ni Maria. Punta kayo dito. Mga taga Stockholm. Kasi feeling ko, actually, I've been to Stockholm once. Hindi ko siya masyadong bet. Sabi ko parang nasa Gothenburg lang ako, pero alam mo yun, mas feel ko pa rin yung Gothenburg. Masyado kasing busy sa Stockholm. Sobrang everybody's
rushing. Parang walang kailangan lumabas na yung medyo outside the city.
Oo, mga ganon.
Nasa summer house kami sa island weekends. Para sa business ng city.
Kaya nga, working in the city, parang sa'yo na, nakakaano yan. Mas parang dagdag ng ng stress sa utak.
Oo, lalo na sa rush hour sa morning.
Oo.
Kaya sa bus, pag nagta-travel ako, yung aking nasa, pinapakinggan yung flute, yung music ng, pamparelax ba?
Oh my God, si Aslan gustong pumasok, yung pusa namin. Wait lang, baby. Nasa labas.
Katis yung ating 7 minutes, naka 19 minutes na tayo.
Oo nga Thank you everyone for...
Kati, nakaya ko, Kati.
Oo nga, ate. Bravo. Well done. Di ba sabi ko parang kwentuhan lang naman to. But anyway, back to business. Next week, I think we're gonna continue this. Next week, we will be, it's not chikahan anymore. It will be a little bit, business talks.
Business talk.
We will, So we will be answering some frequently asked questions about our business.
Yeah. So, and then we will talk about why we did this, Kate. What
exactly.
What is our motivation? What made us do this business? So people will understand why are we doing this. And if we get some question, they can write down in the comments, and then we will try to answer them.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Ay, hi! Ate, I think kamag-anak mo to or mami mo ba to?
Oh, that's my daughter. Patingin daw po ng cat.
Ay! Asan na ba yun? Ayun na, andun. Hindi ko maano kasi I'm using my laptop.
My kids, they love cats and dogs.
Really? My cat is like 10 kg. Sobrang laki talaga niya. Mahilig siya. Life is food sa kanya.
Ako allergic sa cat, kaya I can't have pets.
So wala kayong fur? Wala kayong fur babies? O may dog ka, di ba?
Ay, mga dog, nakikidog na lang ako sa kapitbahay, sa mga nanay ko sa Pinas, sa mga kapatid ko.
Nakikidog na lang?
Allergic kasi ako.
Okay.
Pero sila, my God, I love fur. Daming dogs sa bahay.
Sa Pinas?
Sa Pinas. Dito sa mga relatives nung kasama ko yun, nakikipet na lang ako sa mga pet ng may pet.
Nakikiborrow na lang, nakikihiram na lang.
Kasi yung isang anak ko, dog walker eh. Pag iniwan yung mga dog, ayun, sali-sali na rin ako makikilaro sa mga dog.
Paano kaya to? Medyo commercial lang tayo. Aslan means lion in Turkish. Really? Actually, we took this name from Narnia movie.
Oh.
The name was given by my stepdaughter.
Diba? May trivia pa.
Diba? I love that. Parang medyo late ka naman. Dapat, magkukwentuhan pa tayo more. Kasi ate, parang ngayon dumadating yung mga yung mga families mo. So, continue lang tayo.
Bakit kayo na-late?
Nako, sabi ni Ate Melo, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pag di kayo nanood.
Nako.
Sino po yung mga kamag-anak ni Ate Melody dyan? Mag-hi naman kayo para alam niya kung sino yung mga nanood. Alam nyo na.
Alam ko kung sino bibigyan ko ng bonus.
May bribe pala no?
Oo, alam ko sino bibigyan ko ng name sa Balikbayan Box.
Exactly. Well, anyway, gusto mo pa bang i-continue natin to hanggang at least 30 minutes? Imagine that. We just plan to have this like for 10 minutes, just a short introduction about us, and now it's almost 30 minutes.
Yeah, I told you pa, Katis, maybe I will last only 1 minute. Now we're like 22 minutes.
Well, this is great. And thanks everyone who watched this. And sa mga manonood po ng replay namin or ng replay nitong live namin, please watch for us. I mean, wait, how will I say this? Ayan, nawawala na ako. Next week, we will be doing another live. So please stay tuned. Right,
yes, we will post again what time. As much as possible, we can do it like same time.
Yeah.
But we will post about it. And we will talk more about the business next time.
Yeah. Hindi lang kami puro kwento. Siyempre, kasi actually, despite the fact na mahilig kami magkwentuhan ni Ate Melody, siyempre, business is, alam nyo na, priority natin.
Yes.
Next time, magkukwentuhan na lang kami ng sobrang haba dun sa personal Facebook page
sa
namin.
Personal kami, nagmamarites kami sa personal.
But maybe it's not appropriate na dito kami magmamaritesan sa business page namin.
Yes.
What do you think, ate? We can end this na.
Yeah, we can wrap it up.
Oo. Sabi nung anak mo, nag-comment lang nung narinig ko yung cat.
Kasi they love. Next time you have to have your cat sit with your cat
Sasali na rin siya sa business. Baka manghingi sa akin ng talent fee.
Talent fee. Okay.
But yeah, we can wrap this up. 25 minutes na nanood kayo.
Thank you for watching.
Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po. And it's Sunday, so God bless you all. Kung hay pa Choy. Bye, Kati.
Hey do.
Hey do. Hey do pa.